when the mind touches the skin. Ever notice how a stressful week shows up on your face? Breakouts, dullness, or sudden irritation. Your skin remembers what your mind goes through. Studies show the skin and brain share a biological origin. Both arise from the same embryonic layer. That's why emotions translate into physical signals your skin can actually feel. When stress hormones rise, the brain sends molecular messages that slow skin repair, weaken its barrier, and alter sebum balance. The result? Sensitivity, dryness, and inflammation. Sleep, mindfulness, and calm don't just rest your mind. They restore your skin's metabolism, because the brain's biochemistry decides how efficiently your skin heals and responds to topicals. This connection isn't just emotional, it's scientific. Neuropeptides, hormones, and immune mediators form a two-way network between the skin and the mind, constantly exchanging signals. Understanding this neuro-skin dialogue helps dermatological science design smarter topicals, those that work with your body's internal rhythms, not against them. At Cymbiotics, innovation begins with empathy, crafting topical solutions that respect the biology of both skin and mind, restoring balance where science meets self.